Hi guys, got a minute? It's Maria, and today we're making a delicious crockpot pepper steak recipe. This slow cooker recipe is so tasty and easy to make. My husband loves it. We're going to chop our beef sirloin strips into slices. I've sprayed the slow cooker with some olive oil, and I'm going to place these sliced up beef strips Now I've sliced up one yellow onion, and we're going to add that to our slow cooker. And I've cut 3 colorful bell peppers. I've cut them into thick chunks, and we're going to place that in the slow cooker as well. We're also adding 3 minced garlic cloves. Okay, we're going to make our sauce now. We're going to combine 3/4 cup of hot beef broth, and you can use 2 or 3 bouillon cubes. I'm going to use 2 of these beef bouillon packets. We're going to add 1/4 cup of soy sauce, two teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of ground pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. We're also going to include 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And mix that well. Make sure your bouillon cubes are all dissolving. And we're going to pour it into our slow cooker over top of the beef and everything else that's in there. Now we're going to cover our crock pot, and we're going to set it either on low for 6 hours or on high for 3 hours. I'm going to set mine on high for 3 hours. So in about an hour and a half, I'm going to stir everything. It's been 3 hours and it's looking really good. So I'm going to turn it on low now until we're ready to eat.